Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how to fix Valorant stuck and loading screen. So first just press on Windows plus R key on your keyboard and you'll see this section. Now you just have to type out percent local app data percent and then click on OK. Here, just locate the Valorant folder and you just have to right click this one and click on delete button. Okay, so after deleting this folder, you just have to go to find the right games folder and click on this one. Now click on the Valorant folder and delete this as well. After that, just have to go back to your home screen. And here you can see the Valorant. You just have to right click this one and then click on open file location. Here at the top, you can see the right games options. You just have to click on this one and then click on the Valorant folder. Then click on the live folder. Okay, now you just have to delete this too, the manifest underscore, and then click on delete button. And that's our first method on how to fix a problem. Now for our second method, we just have to go to the search bar at the bottom. So here, and then type out the control panel. Okay, now click on the programs or uninstall a program option. And you just have to find the Riot Vanguard. Okay, so here it is. You just have to delete this one. So right click and then uninstall. After uninstalling, you just have to go back here and then restart your computer. And after that, your problem will be fixed. Okay, so those are two methods that you can do in order to fix your problem. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.